Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Very good. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. This is going to be a day in my life vlog. I have few things to share with you all. I'm going to make a lot of vlogs in this channel, and I have opened another channel which is mainly for craft. The name of the channel is Love, Light and Craft. Hope you all will subscribe to the second channel as well. Now let's get into the video. Right now the time is 8 a.m. From past few days I have been drinking this tea. So to prepare this tea, I'm just going to add some cumin seeds, fennel seeds and a pinch of turmeric to the water and let it boil. Now the water is boiling, I'm going to transfer the tea into my cup and then start preparing for breakfast. Today I'm preparing vegetable dosa. First I'm preparing this for my husband. Now I am making dosa for my son. I am adding ghee to the tawa and then pour the batter. I am adding only grated carrot to him. I am not adding any veggies because he cannot chew the veggies. Carrots are easy for him to chew. So I am adding only carrots. His dosa is done. I'm going to feed him now, and then after that we both are going to play for some time before preparing lunch. Very good. Very good. Good job. Titi, padle na Titi. Padu. Tea. Tea, Nana. Good job. Tea. 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 Tea.
Any release or any code change since last release, since October 22nd?
Very good. So I played with him for some time, and now it's time to prepare lunch. Our lunch is going to be simple today. I'm making tomato sambar and bitter gourd fry. Now I'm making sambar. I have already washed the tur dal and added some water to it. Now I'm adding onions, tomatoes, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, some rock salt, quarter teaspoon of chili powder, a pinch of turmeric powder and some tamarind juice. I am going to pressure cook this for like 4 to 5 whistles. Now the time is 11:30. I need to finish making lunch by 12:30 because my son goes to sleep around 12:30 and my husband eats around 12:30. So I need to finish this soon. In the meantime, I'm going to make bitter gourd fry. For that, in the separate pan, I'm adding some oil, like 2 tablespoons of oil, and I'm adding in mustard seeds and let it splatter, and then some cumin seeds, and then I'm adding dried curry leaves. a half onion, now I'm adding in sliced bitter gourd, some rock salt to taste, a pinch of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of chili powder, and I'm going to give it a toss. And here I'm adding some water and let it cook. I'm going to close it with a lid and let it cook in medium flame. I have added 2 to 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. I forgot to record that part. So after adding the tamarind juice, I simmered it and cooked for like 2 minutes, and now I'm transferring some of the fry to another bowl. This is the spicy version, and after transferring some of the fry, I'm going to add some brown sugar. You can also add jaggery. I like the bitter gourd fry to be a bit sweet, so this is for me. The spicy one is for my husband and son. You can also try the sweeter version. This is more tastier than the spicy one according to me. So now I finished preparing lunch and it's time for my son's sleep. I'm going to put him to sleep and then have my lunch. Around 3 o'clock he's going to wake up and I'll feed him lunch, and then we will go out to play for some time. We have come out to play. Now the time is 5 o'clock in the evening. Ball. We came back home around 5:30, and now I need to vacuum the carpet. So it's really hard to vacuum the carpet when he's around. He loves to play with the vacuum. And now it's dinner time. For dinner I'm making kara kudmulu. In a vessel I'm adding some water. Once the water starts to boil, at this point I'm going to add some rice flour to the water and let it boil again. And then after some time with a fork I'm going to mix the water and the flour to make a dough. I'm doing it on low flame, so I'll mix it thoroughly and make a dough. Now in another pan I have added 2 tablespoons of oil, some mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and some chana dal and urad dal. So after frying them I've added some onion, chopped onion. I've also added one red chili here. After frying the onions, I'm adding some grated carrot. There is no need to fry the onions and carrots until it's completely cooked because we are going to steam this again. So now I'm adding the prepared dough, the rice flour dough, to the pan, and I'm going to close it with a lid and let it sit for some time. After some time, now I am mixing the dough with my hand. Make balls and place it on the steamer and then steam it for about 10 minutes, and kara kudmulu is done.
Thank you for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.